Introducing BodyQ, a state-of-the-art diagnostic tool that measures the health and wellness of the muscles, joints, neurological systems, and overall functionality of the human body. Developed by medical professionals, physical therapists, nutritionists, vestibular and balance experts, FYZICAL's proprietary BodyQ is changing healthcare by providing a proactive approach to staying healthy. BodyQ provides a quick and comprehensive evaluation measuring musculoskeletal function, range of motion, balance, hearing, and vision. Once completed, BodyQ will calculate your overall BodyQ health score and generate a comprehensive report designed to help you prevent injuries and address potential health issues before they become serious. Next, a healthcare professional will analyze your BodyQ score. Based upon the findings, if necessary, a plan of care will be developed specifically for your body's individual needs that may include a medically based fitness program, physical therapy, or a physician referral. Take control of your health with BodyQ, available only at physical therapy and balance centers. Spelled different because we are different. Schedule your BodyQ today.
"110% compression plus ice gear delivers the benefits of an ice bath without the hassle. Each piece of 110% compression plus ice gear comes with reusable ice inserts that fit right inside the built-in pockets. 110% ice inserts are easy to use. Simply hydrate and freeze. Reusable for 6 months, you can cut them for the perfect fit and even warm them when you prefer heat therapy. 110% compression plus ice gear comes in its own thermal carrying bag. The ice stays cold for up to 6 hours, delivering your very own mobile ice bath. With 110% reusable ice inserts and thermal carrying bag, you can jumpstart recovery whenever and wherever you play harder.
I liked that they tried to figure out what was going wrong with my brain. Not that there was something wrong with my brain, but I had multiple things that caused issues to affect my walking and my balance in everyday life. So they're the ones that changed everything for me. And they figured out how to make walking easier for me. And then just, I can wake up in the morning and get out of bed and not worry about falling on the floor, which is a good thing. I used to be an avid rock climber, and I had to cut back on my climbing due to a car accident when I couldn't walk. So I can now walk again without poles and without assistance, and I've been going climbing but to close places, and now I know that I will be able to get the cliffs with greater ease and not always have to rely on poles. So I really appreciate that. I do love my life.
What does your walk say about you? Confident, graceful, athletic? Your walk can say other things too. Injured, unbalanced, unsupported. For 7 out of 10 people, the way they walk or their gait can eventually cause pain if left undiagnosed. Your healthcare provider will use the Metascan system to show what your gait looks like in a series of simple, colorful graphs. The Metascan captures your gait at 150 images per second. That's more than 20 times faster than the human eye. This incredible speed allows Metascan to measure your gait, pinpointing how and at what point your foot is functioning abnormally as you walk. Your healthcare provider will examine your center of pressure line. The white line shows an ideal gait. The red line shows problems in your gait, like excessive pronation and supination. Overpronation, an inward rolling of the foot, and oversupination, an outward rolling of the foot, can cause neck pain, upper and lower back pain, hip pain, knee and shin pain, and ankle and foot pain. Over time, an abnormal gait may lead to more serious issues. Coupled with Metascan technology and a clinical examination, your healthcare provider will make a diagnosis based on your needs and may prescribe individually designed custom FootMax orthotics. FootMax, go.
110% Blitz knee sleeves combine the stabilizing benefits of compression and the power of an ice bath in one amazing piece of gear. With 360-degree pockets and reusable ice inserts, Blitz knee sleeves transition from high-performance compression gear to an active recovery system in one simple step. The combination of compression and ice, applied quickly after a tough workout, helps prevent swelling and reduces the inflammation that leaves your knees sore. Targeting the entire knee, Blitz knee sleeves are designed for maximum comfort, stability, performance, and recovery.
Well, I love to hunt and I love to hike, and you know it's kind of hard to, and I love to ride horses, and it's kind of hard to get up on a horse when you're wobbling and the vertigo, and it's always a threat of falling off. Okay, and you can't, being out in the mountains hiking is kind of hard when you have vertigo. So, and this is the only thing. This machine is the only thing that has helped me to do this. And it's tremendous. And anybody that's suffering, they need to use this machine.
What is MSBD? MSBD means musculoskeletal balance disorder. It means that your body's strength and balance is not as good as it should be. You may have MSBD if you are holding on to walls as you walk, have difficulty getting out of chairs, feel unsteady when you stand, often dizzy, tripping or falling. As a senior, falling down is no laughing matter.
42% of people admitted to a nursing home following a fall never return to independent living. Don't let your loved one become a fall victim. Falls can be fatal. Every 29 minutes in the U.S., an older adult dies from a fall.
Get real help and schedule a BodyQ balance and fitness evaluation today at FYZICAL. FYZICAL uses exclusive technology called BodyQ to determine a person's fall risk probability. Your body has a BodyQ, just like your mind has an IQ. Why settle for anything other than BodyQ at FYZICAL? Get real help and schedule a BodyQ fall risk and fitness evaluation at FYZICAL.
"110% Double Life calf sleeves combine the benefits of compression and the power of an ice bath in one amazing piece of gear. With 360-degree pockets and reusable ice inserts, Double Life calf sleeves transition from high-performance compression gear to an active recovery system in one simple step. The combination of compression and ice, applied quickly after a tough workout, helps prevent swelling and reduces the inflammation that leaves your muscles sore. Targeting the shins and calves, Double Life calf sleeves are designed for maximum comfort, performance, and recovery.
Physical therapy and balance centers, you will enjoy a safer and more effective way to undergo physical therapy. Our new safety overhead support expedites healing and makes falls a thing of the past. If you are at risk of falling or suffer from a balance or dizziness disorder, the safety overhead support eliminates the fear of falling, allowing you to move beyond your limitations, recover quickly, and regain your independence. Your safety is our focus. No fears, no falls. Love your life. Call us today to discover the pinnacle of healthy living. FYZICAL, spelled different because we are different.
Well, I'm Master Sergeant Christopher Aguilera in the United States Air Force. Been in for over 21 years. I got injured in Afghanistan when my helicopter was shot down in our 3rd combat rescue of the day. Woke up with a broken ankle, fractured femur, broken hip, tailbone, broke my back in 5 spots, 4 broken ribs, sternum, collarbone, jaw. Had a brain injury which really impeded my balance. Punctured lung, punctured left upper hamstring, burned off hamstrings, and amputations to the right foot and left lower leg. I quickly realized that it was going to be hard to get back into my job, into the position that I was doing before, without any help. So I was able to get a referral off base, and I came here, and that's when I first started coming to balance therapy here. And it was pretty awesome, the tremendous strides that I took. Before it was just trying to get to doing some basic normal activities, being able to reach for stuff above shoulder length and then, or shoulder level. And then from there it quickly progressed to going into adaptive sports, going into try for the Air Force team for the Wounded Warrior Games and for the Invictus Games.
I remember when you first came to us and we were having you do your head turns while you were walking, and that was making you symptomatic. You'd have to take breaks all the time.
Oh yeah.
And I remember how you'd kind of sit aside and you wouldn't want anybody to bother you. You just kind of stay focused on what you were doing.
Yeah.
And I remember when I first came to you and I tried to figure out what it was we could do for you. And you told me about your basic goals, about how you were trying to get back into CrossFit workouts. And I remember you told me you could only do 10 burpees before getting really symptomatic, and that to me was pretty impressive to start off with. But just today you've told me you can do 30 burpees going up and down. Anybody who knows what a burpee is, knows how intense that is. If you don't, try it out, look it up. But just recently you came to me and you said, well, now that I'm feeling better, I want to start training to throw the shot put and the discus, right?
Sir.
And I remember when we first started that, you were trying to spin in circles, and it was kind of comical, but
yeah,
pretty impressive. Tell us about that experience. I mean, what was that like? Getting that kind of speed and that power out.
Well, when I first came here, just trying to throw the discus standing still was a little difficult, and I was right on that cusp of doing sitting, shot put, and discus, and then going on to the standing.
Right.
And my coach wanted me to try to do the spin, and just working with you day in and day out, and you seeing the technique, and I was really surprised. You'd never seen it or done it, but you were able to pick up, give me the certain set of exercises that I needed, and I actually took that back to some of my friends and told them, hey, this is what my therapist has me doing.
Good stuff.
And it just built onto there. And from there I went on and I got the gold.
Well, I'd like to give Chris a terrible amount of credit. I mean, he's put in an amazing amount of work. He's made it really easy on us. I wish I could work a lot more with him. And he's just made it so easy, because everything I've asked him to do, he's pushed harder and harder. And I tell you, that's one of the great things about working with Physical, is that we get to work with lots of people from different varied backgrounds. Got to try some things that I never thought you'd be able to do, to tell you the truth, because it was just, the challenges you had, but you've really gone above and beyond, and I'm really proud to say that I got a chance to work with you.
Thank you for everything.
All right, man.
Attention pain sufferers. Is pain in your neck, shoulders, or back holding you back? Pain in your wrist, hips, legs, knees, feet? Or does a balance issue interfere with your everyday activities? If so, you may have MSBD, musculoskeletal balance disorder. Common symptoms include recurrent pain, stiffness in joints, dull aches, twitching muscles, fatigue, dizziness, tripping or falling. Just because you're getting older doesn't mean you have to live in pain. Get real help and call Physical Therapy and Balance Centers for an MSBD screening. Physical uses exclusive technology called BodyQ to identify MSBD.
BodyQ measures your balance, muscle strength, flexibility, and neurologic health, and provides you a comprehensive BodyQ score.
Physical will put you on the road to recovery. Save $100. The $199 BodyQ evaluation for a limited time is only $99. Get your BodyQ MSBD screening done today at Physical.
The 110% Overdrive socks and icing sleeves combine the benefits of a compression sock and the power of an ice bath in one system. Overdrive socks transition from high-performance compression sock to a mobile recovery system in one easy step. The compression sleeves hold reusable ice inserts targeting the calf, shin, ankle, and foot. The Overdrive socks and icing sleeves speed recovery from injuries like shin splints, plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, forefoot pain, and ankle sprains by increasing circulation and reducing inflammation.
name's Eric Gonzalez. Last year, I came to work with Physical. Started off a few years before then. I was having just weird feelings that I couldn't explain, dizziness, fatigue, just a lot of different issues that I would kind of deal with. I dealt with it for a long time. After a while, it got really difficult to the point to where I fainted at work. Yeah, so they took me to the hospital, and then it just turned into a good 3 months of, we can't help you, go see this person, we can't help you, go see this person. Excuse me. And finally I was at an ear, nose, and throat specialist, and he walked in and he told me verbatim, hey, something's wrong with you, I just have no idea what it is, but I think I know who will. And set an appointment for me the very next day, 8 in the morning. So I showed up, and literally that's when everything began to change for the better, right?
I remember when the first day you came in, and Brian Werner asked me to work with you, and we had you get up and walk around, and you were using a walker.
Yeah.
And I was pretty amazed at that, because you were in really good shape physically, but you weren't able to walk on your own. You needed to use that walker, and you were almost kind of veering off course.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah, no, I definitely remember that. Yeah.
Remember that progression, how you were able to come along? I was absolutely amazed at how you were able to get back into your sport and get back into some sparring.
Yeah.
Against some of my
get some of your wishes.
Against some of my wishes, but I was still really glad to see you get back into some wrestling.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
So I mean, you hit it right on the head. I mean, it was literally one day to the other. Going to work. I do jiu-jitsu and boxing and a couple other things, and the very next day I couldn't walk a straight line. I showed up, and it was even more humbling knowing I had a harness on and a walker and all these crazy things, and that's when I knew there was trouble. But that morning, you guys were able to bring on my symptoms. And since you were able to do that, I figured, hey, this is the right place to be. It wasn't easy. I'm not going to say I'd wake up some mornings and just think, maybe I shouldn't go today. But I came every single time. I never missed a session. I would do all my homework, everything you asked me to do. And within a couple weeks, I felt a drastic change in my balance, in my confidence, just doing everyday regular things, driving, things of that nature. Within a month and a half, I would say, I was back in jiu-jitsu, not necessarily boxing people, but doing the boxing workouts and wrestling and things of that nature. And then maybe 3 or 4 weeks after that, I felt great. I felt like I had never felt before. Great balance, great strength, great everything.
Well, I've been checking up on you every couple of weeks. I'd say, just kind of giving you a text message, seeing how you're doing, and from what I can tell, you're really having a great time, enjoying yourself. And we're just really glad we were able to help you out, man.
Yeah.
Tell your friends and tell your family, and let us know if there's anything else we can do. All right.
We'll do. And just to close, not only physically but emotionally, I feel great. Physically, I feel wonderful. At work, I've never achieved what I've achieved so far. I've moved up 3 times.
Wow.
It's just I've been so clear-headed, and there's just no worries.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah. So like I've always said, I'll always be grateful and I'll always be indebted to Physical.
Introducing BodyQ, a state-of-the-art diagnostic tool that measures the health and wellness of the muscles, joints, neurological systems, and overall functionality of the human body. Developed by medical professionals, physical therapists, nutritionists, vestibular and balance experts, Physical's proprietary BodyQ is changing healthcare by providing a proactive approach to staying healthy. BodyQ provides a quick and comprehensive evaluation measuring musculoskeletal function, range of motion, balance, hearing, and vision. Once completed, BodyQ will calculate your overall BodyQ health score and generate a comprehensive report designed to help you prevent injuries and address potential health issues before they become serious. Next, a healthcare professional will analyze your BodyQ score. Based upon the findings, if necessary, a plan of care will be developed specifically for your body's individual needs that may include a medically based fitness program, physical therapy, or a physician referral. Take control of your health with BodyQ, available only at Physical Therapy and Balance Centers. Spelled different because we are different. Ask your therapist about BodyQ.
110% juggler knickers combine the benefits of compression and the power of an ice bath in one amazing piece of gear. With built-in pockets and reusable ice inserts, juggler knickers transition from high-performance compression gear to an active recovery system in one simple step. The combination of compression and ice applied quickly after a tough workout helps prevent swelling and reduces the inflammation that leaves your muscles sore. Targeting the hips, quads, hamstrings, and knees, juggler knickers are designed for maximum comfort, performance, and recovery.
They're great. They know how to work with us, and it's a good feeling. I enjoy coming because I know I'm going to be treated good. And being I suffer from my back and my knee, they don't push me. If they always ask me if I'm hurting, they'll sit me down till I feel better and I'm ready to go again.
"110% Transformer shorts combine the benefits of compression and the power of an ice bath in one amazing piece of gear. With built-in pockets and reusable ice inserts, Transformer shorts transition from high-performance compression gear to an active recovery system in one simple step. The combination of compression and ice, applied quickly after a tough workout, helps prevent swelling and reduces the inflammation that leaves your muscles sore. Targeting the hips, quads, hamstrings, and glutes, Transformer shorts are designed for maximum comfort, performance, and recovery.
Hi, I'm Janina. Welcome to Physical Therapy and Balance Centers. How can I help you live your life?
Hi, I'm Laurie, and we are here to keep you happy, healthy, and physical.
Hi, I'm Savannah, and I'm physical, and I'm here to help you love your life.
Cameron, and I'm physical. Physical makes me so excited, I can do flips. Whoa!
At Physical, we're not afraid to pick our teammates up when they're down.
Love your life.